All right, for the past week we've been talking about socialization, and with socialization comes social structures. That's what we're going to talk about today real quick with the introduction of statuses and roles. Statuses and roles are part of the social structure. What are they? Well, a status is a position that a person holds within society. So for instance, I'm a teacher, Mr. Sheet is principal, you are all students. That is one part of the statuses and roles. A role then is all of the behaviors, the obligations, and the privileges that are attached to a particular status. So it's what I'm expected to do, it's what you're expected to do as students, it's what Mr. Sheet is expected to do. So let's take a look at that from a real world example of a police officer. A police officer is a status, it's a position. It's a position that an individual has earned, and with that position comes a role. The status is a police officer, a person of the law. What is that person's role? Well, that person might be law-abiding. They might be someone that protects you. The idea that one who is a police officer would protect and serve. More often than not, that person has to be polite and personable. It has to be somebody that can interact with people and read people fairly well. They need to be assertive. They need to be knowledgeable of the law and what is legal and what is not legal, and within their realm of duty. Perhaps their role needs to be a little bit intimidating when the job requires it to be, and it might be a little helpful to be physically fit as a police officer as well, given the line of duty and the type of work that they do. That's a really quick introduction to statuses and roles. Once again, real quickly, status is that position that one holds within society, and then the role is the behaviors, the obligations, the privileges, the duties that are attached to that status. Statuses can be anything that's earned, or it can be something that's achieved, or it can be something that just is because of the way you are. Achieved or ascribed statuses, which is what we'll talk about tomorrow in class.